What's up, YouTube? Rich City here, and today on City Mobile Car Wash, we got this white Mercedes Bach looking rough. The paint was dirty, and the rims were covered in brake dust, and the carpet, oof, yeah, they definitely needed help. But that's what we do. City gets it clean. Watch us take this Mercedes from neglected to showroom clean. This Mercedes went from dirty to absolutely flawless. Watch me work. What's up, YouTube? We back with another one. Yeah, what kind of Mercedes this is? Let's check it out. We gonna check out what kind this is. I don't even know. I don't even much know. So we cleaning up the white Mercedes, like I said. Let's take a look on the inside. A little dirty here, a little dirty. Gonna clean it up. It's the big body though. Dirty, but a little dusty from the feet and everything. So we gonna go ahead and get this thing right. Watch me work. All right, we're gonna hit the truck. So you see everything ain't coming up. So we gonna, since everything ain't coming up like that, we'll just take this brush. Gotta always keep a brush like this. We're just gonna sweep everything. See? Woo. See how it's like coming in one area now on the dirt? That's how we get that stubborn, some of that sand sometime in these carpets. The sand get real stubborn and you vacuum in and it don't want to come up. So hit it with that brush. Bring it all over the corner, just suck it all up. Especially the more luxury cars, their carpets are a little bit harder to get sand out of for some reason. You'd think it'd be easier because you pay more money, but I guess because it's a better quality of carpet, so the sand hold on to it. Don't want to go nowhere. All right, so we finished vacuuming. Got a nice and vacuumed up the floor. All right, now y'all, so because this leather is like a cream color, we gonna definitely spray it with our interior cleaner right here. We're gonna spray some on the rag, like that. Use one hand to hold this camera, but we gonna clean the leather up. Gotta get in the cracks. Right, like that. Now, boom. Down here, the sides, get the dash, wipe everything down. Go spray a little bit on here like that, right? And we'll hit our door like that. Hit the handle, a little bit more on the rag. We hit this, clean all that up, and shine it back up. Give it a nice gloss, you know what I'm saying? Like that. Like that. All right, we just finished with the inside. We about to hit these rims. We got to spray. I don't know how I'm gonna get inside of these rims to really get them. We'll have to try to figure it out. But these spokes are so small. We're gonna spray it, then we're gonna spray them out with the pressure cleaner, then soap them down. All right, we done sprayed the rims. Now we gonna soap them down. Get in between these spokes like that. With my hand. I think the problem is gonna be when I try to get the inside of the lip. That's gonna be the problem, but we gonna try the stick that I got. It could get in there, but it's gonna be a little mission. I hate around duck lip. We could put it in there, then go side to side like that. I'm gonna just go like this. Hit it like this. See how that worked? Oh, okay, and then flap it. Okay, I got it. See, I had to figure it out, see? Just do it like this way, and then flap it. Side to side. Get in. we are all done with the Mercedes Bach, affiliate Bach or something like that. It's called. It's in the Maybach family. Let's check it out. Nice and clean. A nice pearl white back. It kind of looked like the Mercedes Maybach too on the inside, but appreciate y'all rocking with City. Like we always say, thank you for watching us work. City gets it clean. We out.